Hey guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to authenticate the user using your mobile number with latest dependency of the Firebase. Because in latest dependency of the Firebase, when you will try to log in with your mobile number, you will get some error. So we will discuss about each and everything at the last of the video. So keep watching this video at the last, then you will be able to tackle with that problem. So let's start this video. Here you can see already I made three activity. This is my first activity where user input their mobile number to get their OTP, and after entering their mobile number they go to other activity which is nothing but a OTP activity where user input their OTP whatever they get from the Firebase. And that our third activity is nothing but is only for if the user is a login successful, they go to in that activity login successful. You will make this activity very easy. So now we'll move to other part of this video, which is nothing but our coding part. For now we will take two kind of the variable. First is edit text type variable, and second is button type, and then we will bind this variable in our on creative view. We can see I bind this variable in on creative view. Then we test the listener first of all in between next button. When user click in the next button, there go to the next activity. So we'll write the code, and here we can take one other variable which is the string type. For you're taking your mobile number from your edit text, then we check the mobile number is not empty, then you allow the user to go to next activity. If the mobile number is empty, then you will show the simple message. And here do one more step guys, we can concatenate the user mobile number with their country code. So I am come from India, that's why I'm plus 91. And after we write the intent to go to next activity, and with the intent we can also pass their mobile number using intent dot put extra. So we know guys, intent dot put extra is taken on key value pair. So we'll make the key in the main activity like public static, because we need to access this key, same key with our OTP activity. So we make the name as a key. Our second argument in intent put extra is our mobile number. We pass our mobile number in intent put extra. After that we start the intent using a start intent method, and after we can write one else block, because when the user did not fill the mobile number, you show the simple message. So guys, all things have done in this part, and now we move to the other part, which is nothing but OTP part. It's a very important part. Before doing coding in OTP activity, first of all we set up our project in Firebase, because we didn't set up our project in Firebase. Then how can set up our project in Firebase, we will discuss in this video. So let's see how can we set up our project in Firebase. Open your Firebase console in Chrome browser. If you didn't create your account in Firebase console, first of all you create Firebase console account in Chrome browser, then you can add your project. You can see already I made it one project, so I add this same project with my app. I click this project, and then you can see here is a one Android icon. Then I click these things, and first of all we take our package name. Where is our package name? So our package name is in your manifesto file. We can take it your own package name. So I will take it our package name, and I can paste it in my Firebase project. Here I can paste my package name and write the app name for your app. And third is the sh1 key. Then go to your Android Studio, and right corner you see here is a Gradle, and click in the Gradle, and after that click on the task, and after that you can click signing report. After you clicking it will take some time to generate your sh1 key. Here is your sh1 key. Just copy it in this sh1 key and paste it here. After pasting here, you can click on the next. You can get your JSON file. You download this JSON file and copy this JSON file. After that you go to your Android Studio. Here we can change the setting Android to project level setting. Yeah, I click the project level, and after you can open it, and here you can see the app folder. You can paste it on that whatever you copy it, and just in I paste it. And firstly I refactor it this JSON file because I loaded so many JSON files. So here is a at, so I remove the at and refactor it. After this JSON file, it is a copy successful, and after I close the each and everything whatever I opened it, and then come back to again firebase, and here you can see the class path. You only copy this class path. Again you go to your Android studio. Here I change my project to Android, and you can see there is a two build.gradle file, but you open only build.gradle file, which is the project level. I open the project level build.gradle file, and here you can paste it your class path inside the dependency. After you can sync. Now it will take some time to sync your project. Again we go to Firebase console. Here is a copy or dependency, so we'll copy ATR dependency, which is a boom library, and also we need to plug in, so I'll copy it both. And after that you go to your Android studio. But guys, observe one thing here. This dependency is paste in your app level gradle. Don't paste it project level gradle. Here I will open my app level gradle, and I paste it whatever I copy from there. First of all I paste it my plugin here. Then you paste your dependency in the dependency block. You can see here is the dependency. I paste it our dependency, which is the copy the boom library. And when I sync now this, I got some error because of I paste it my plugin in the inside the plugin block. That's why you can't paste it your plugin in this plugin block. You just paste your plugin outside of the plugin box, then you won't get any kind of the error. Wait for some minute until your project is not sync. After your project sync, again you go to your Firebase console and click on the console button. After clicking the console button, your project is now set up totally. Here you see authentication option. Click in the authentication, then go to mobile section, and you click on the this tab. After that you can add your mobile number if you want to test your mobile number with the emulator. Otherwise you simply enable this and save it. After that you go back to your and open your next tab. Here you can search your Firebase auto dependency. Otherwise you can type whatever I am typing here. You can type same things because we want to go on the Firebase documentation, because there in Firebase documentation there are some rule are changed which we are discussing in the video. So you type like this. Otherwise you can search each Firebase dependency also. And after that you come back to here, and you can see the authentication with the Firebase. Open it, and then here you can see your Firebase auth dependency. You can copy it this dependency. Don't copy it Firebase boom library. Only Firebase auth dependency we need, because already we added Firebase boom library dependency. You also read this document, and here you can paste it or Firebase or dependency. Then click sync now. Here we can see our project is just successful added with our Firebase, and with the all dependencies added to successful. Now is the most important part we are going to launch in this video, which is the OTP activity. And this is the activity where we get OTP from user, and let's start to do coding with the OTP activities. So let's move it. We can see already I have done some code, because the length of the video is so long. That's why I'm thinking that I make this video short. So let's understand what is the meaning of each variables. The first of all you see the here one FOTP type variable and user type variable. FOTP type variable, it means it is come from Firebase OTP, and second is user type variable. It is come from our whatever the user input there OTP. OTP, then you compare with both. If the app OTP and user OTP is correct, then the login successful, otherwise login failed. And the second variable is mobile type variable, mobile number. It is also a string type variable, and you assign the mobile number whatever you get from our previous activity, which is the passing in the intent. And the third variable is the firebase auth type variable, which is the need to sign the user in our firebase. And fourth variable is button type. To bind the buttons with btn verify, will make the button type variable. And fifth variable is edit text type variable, where is the user is input their OTP or whatever they get from the message. And you can see on create view, we will assign the mauth variable using firebase or that get instance to get the instance of the firebase. Also we bind button and edit text using find view by id. And then you assign the mobile number in the mobile variable using get intent get string extra, which is the come from our intent. That's why I'm using this method. And using the same key which I declare in the previous activity, after getting your mobile number, just call one method initialize OTP. This method I declare it. If you want to make the method different, you can write any kind of the method. Now we need to write the code to get OTP from Firebase in initialize OTP method. So we just start in the writing the code in your initialize OTP method to get the OTP from Firebase. We need auth option type variable, so you declare it auth option type variable. I can take the name as a mauth option equal to firebase auth option dot new builder. And here set the mobile number using set mobile number method, and pass your mobile number inside this method. After that you call set time unit, and time unit is a long type 60L and time. After that you call set activity and pass this activity OTP that this. Then you set the callback method, using set callback method, and call new equal phone provider dot on verification. After that you can see it is a override to method on verification and verification. Here guys, our code is wrong because we call set activity, you call set mobile number first. After you have to write override one method, one code sent. Here you can see in what code sent you get OTP from the Firebase, whatever the Firebase send in the S variable we get it. So this OTP we assign the F OTP variable which we are declare on the instance variable. So F OTP equal to S. After that on verification credential, we call one method sign with credential. We made it that method because this is we are declared this method, so we call it. And first of all inside the initialize OTP you call firebase auth provider dot verify phone number, and then pass the mauth option. After that jump into our sign with credential, firebase auth sign with credential, pass your credential which is the get from the phone credential. Then you attach the listener, add and complete listener. After that you can check task is successful, then simply run the intent to the next, go to next activity. Otherwise you can write the code in else block whatever you want to write. So we write the in else block simply toast message if any reason the user is can't log in, then is show the message failed to log in. After that you go to in on create method, and attach the listener in our between next and verify button. So I attach the listener first of all between verify dot set and click listener. Inside this we assign the user OTP, whatever the user input the OTP in the edit text. After that we check if OTP is not equal to null, then this block is run. If block otherwise else block is run. If the else block is run, then user didn't write the OTP, then you show the toast message, please fill the OTP. In if block you can write the phone credential variables like credential equal to phone credential phone provider dot get credential and pass the app OTP and user OTP. After that you call sign with credential, pass the credential. This method already we made it in this class. Finally we have done all codes, so now we are ready to install this app or emulator. So let's we run this app with our emulator. Then we firstly click on the app and run it, this with our emulator. So guys, I'm going to talk about one more things here until our emulator is not started. So go to firebase, click on the project overview, and after that project setting, clicking the project setting, and here you can see the your support email is you given or not. If you want to given your support email, then you got some error, so make sure your support email is you given or not. So this is the things where you get some error if you want to given your support email. Our app is run, so let's check the mobile number. So whatever I mobile number has given in emulator in our firebase, I type the same mobile number here. I type 123456789 and click on the verify next button. After that, after some times you get OTP. You won't get OTP guys, because it's the emulator. Whatever OTP you said, that OTP just entered automatic. It's go to verify your device for reCAPTCHA, and after that is come back to OTP activity after verifying this. So our reCAPTCHA is verified, automatic is come back to our OTP activity. Just put the OTP whatever you set in the emulator. So I click on that same OTP and verified it. So finally guys, our app is running and successful, and you see the login successful activities come. Now we talk about one more error. When you try to log in with your physical device, then you want to log in with is that. So let's connect with the our physical device and run the same application. Then we check I'm able to get OTP from Firebase or not from our physical device. Now you are connected with our physical device. My device is Vivo. Then click on the run button and then run this application in your device. Now my app is run my physical device. So let's give in my own number here and to get the OTP from Firebase. So let's I put it my number. After that click on the next button, and here observe this guys what happened. Here you can see it is come back to my previous activity, why this is happen and how to tackle with that problems. So let's see. First of all, go to in the Firebase documentation. I open it my Firebase documentation page and scroll down and check Android device checker API, and here you can see Android device checker API. Just click in that. After clicking here, this page redirect to your Google Cloud Console. I click that page and then you see it is a redirect to my Google Cloud page. So in Google Cloud page we need to do one things. First of all, I change my project to my this account, whatever I account I'm right now working. So after that it takes some time to loading it in your Google console cloud. After that you need to enable this Android device verification. If you won't enable this, then your project won't work. It means you can't get OTP from the Firebase. I enable this, then again I run this app with my emulator. Sorry guys, we'll run our application with the physical device, not emulator, because in your physical device you didn't get OTP. So that's why we run our application with the physical device. So finally our app is run my physical device, and again I put my number and I check it. I get OTP or not. So wait for some minute, and finally you get OTP and automatic it login. My login screen comes. So guys, finally we successful login with the physical device and emulator also. So guys, if you like this video, so subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video guys.